Everything up in here looks original to me. So much stuff on this car looks original, but I just think I'm not leaning towards just leaving it alone though, because I'm not 100% sure it's the survivor quality.
I know we gotta look at it a little bit more. See, one of the things I was talking about, and it's hard to say if it was done from another paint job past the original 2 paint jobs, but this is very typical to have
paint on these, right?
On the rubber hood bumpers.
But like I say, if we knew it was original paint, then that would be normal to see that on there.
Right here.
Yep.
I mean, look, even the worst of paint jobs, I think they would have masked this off better.
Yeah.
But I truly feel that this is original. That paint up on top of those is original.
Why, if it was a brand new car, why wouldn't they wait to put those on there? Because they were already put on the assembly line?
It was built. The car was
except for a grill and a bumper, it was done.
It was a 100% done car. You know, there's a lot of originality about this car, OE original stuff.
Oh, I agree.
You know,
a ton of stuff on it.
I still am not convinced with the condition to go that far, but a couple things to make note of. This is an original battery cable.
Okay.
Typical of the assembly line.
This is your thing, because I can't ever tell the difference between the reproductions.
Well, it's very common that the colors of the sheathing on the cables on the positive will be different. There'll be a different shade of red.
From the factory,
right?
An OE piece.
And the one telltale way how to confirm there are some high quality reproduction cables out there today. Yeah. But the real ones have a little spine on them.
Oh, a spine on that secondary wire?
No, both of them. You got to look for them and you got to clean the wires up. But that's how to tell with a little spine.
I feel it.
A seam.
Okay. How about that?
Wait.
I did not know that.
Another thing that's 69 440 high performance, which is different than 68 or 70, the dipstick handle is black.
Oh, I thought somebody did that. It's supposed to be orange, I thought.
In 70.
In 70.
Yeah.
It's black in 69.
69 is black.
Didn't know that.
In 69, the dipstick tube was next between the exhaust manifold and the valve cover, where on 70 it was on the outside.
Sweeps out, right.
But we could tell this is a 70 exhaust manifold. Must have been replaced.
Heat riser tube, yeah.
Right, it has the bosses on it for the heat riser.
So that's been replaced.
Right.
And they added electronic ignition. They added some creature features to it. There's your NASCAR air breather.
That's smaller diameter.
I know. Just kidding. If you look at the broadcast sheet, I guarantee those are on the broadcast sheet.
You guarantee it?
I guarantee it.
Or you're just guessing?
No, I guarantee it. I don't have to guess.
It.
Oh yeah, look how long they've been on there.
Yeah.
Look at the condition of the dash pad. When was the last time you saw a dash pad like that?
Right.
Look at the instrumentation on it. I mean, yeah, it's not perfect, but it wasn't perfect in the factory.
Yeah, and those lower pads always get to be all
You know, I
screwy.
have a saying I like to use. They're only original once. So while you want to go bat dung and just berserk and start painting the car.
Is that a saying you use?
It's a saying I've heard somewhere before.
Okay.
Question is, with all the things that we've seen, do I do my magic on the car, buff it, snuff it, touch it up, replace, touch, dab, and try to preserve as much of the original integrity, or is it dilapidated enough and not worth enough in its original state that we do a full-blown restoration? So you go do your homework, I'll go do mine, and we'll reconvene.
Sounds good.
Now that we've done a visual inspection of both vehicles, we're going to take a break, go do our own research individually, and we will be back with a final conclusion on both cars.